So I recently converted Vela Company, which is a global leader in the salon and beauty industry.
I recently got placed in one of my dream company, which is Blinkit.
I have gotten an offer from Jubilant Foodworks.
Domino's.
Yes.
I had a virtual interview with Himalaya Wellness Company since the organization is based out of Bangalore. So we did the process virtually itself.
Do you guys know the breakup of your package, and if yes, what exactly is it, if you're comfortable in sharing?
So mine's just like 10% of variable. Other than that, like it's all fixed.
I actually have a confidentiality clause.
Yeah, मेरी वीडियो के लिए बता दे. Only very interested people are going to watch it.
So I'll give you an estimate. It's upwards of
Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in Gurgaon in the hustle bustle of Cyber City. The last time that I was here, I was touring Altera Institute of Management. Guys, thank you so much for giving love to that video. But I did one major mistake. I forgot to talk about placements. I forgot to gather information regarding placements. And ever since then, you guys have been flooding the comment section of that video and my Instagram DMs asking about placements. Obviously, it is a very valid doubt to have because if you are interested in a particular institute, knowing about the ROI and the placements is a very important factor. Even though I'm in Gurgaon for a very different purpose, but I am going to be scooping inside the campus and gathering that information for all you people. So let's go. Alright, feels really very good to be back at Altera Institute of Management. Guys, this is a very famous spot. The last time that I was here on the campus, I actually clicked a few pictures for my LinkedIn post and those posts went viral. Anyways guys, the last time that I was here on the campus, I actually gave you guys a full-fledged campus tour. I gave you guys a tour of the breakout rooms, the base camps and talked in detail about the curriculum. As you all know, Altera Institute of Management is an industry-backed institute backed by companies like HUL and Mamaearth. Let's go. Ah damn, classes are going on. Which means it is bad timing. Unlike the last time, this time I don't have permission, so I'm going to wait for a bit till the classes get over so that I can talk to the students. But let me pass by time by reading a book. Let me pick up Steve Jobs. Yes, even though I know the story, but I think the best way to pass time is to read books. You genuinely get to learn a lot.
2,000 years later.
Risha. Hi. What's up? How are you? Good. Yeah, I just unofficially came on the campus. Where's Harshit? Can you get her as well? Yes. I finally got what I wanted.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Just waiting for Harshit to come. Hello. What's up? How are you doing? बैठो यार, बैठो. Sit. Okay guys, I just unofficially came on the campus. So I was actually waiting for you guys to finish the class and come here. So the last time that we shot the video, it came out really well. Whatever people had information and needed information about Altera Institute of Management, they got everything. But I missed out on one of the very important aspects, which was placements. I just somehow did not talk about it, and since then, literally that whole YouTube video, the comments in that, my DMs, all of them have just been flooded with placement. Placement के बारे में नहीं पता है, placement का कब पता होगा, all of that. So who better to ask than you people? So yeah, if you guys could quickly tell me what is the whole scene with placements here at Altera?
So placements are going really well, and we kicked off the placement season 1 month ago. And if I talk about, that there are a lot of opportunities that we are getting. If I talk about the industries or the companies, so it's starting from early age startups to mid-age startups to large established MNCs as well, and even across the sectors. So we are getting FMCG industries, we are getting consulting firms like One Digital Stack. We're also getting marketing agencies such as Group M, Mullenlow, Publicis, e-commerce industries, QSR industries, digital first brands, and like a lot of pool that is actually coming to us.
That is good, but I want to double click on it. So can you be more specific on the companies that are coming and the roles that they're offering?
Yeah, so they are actually coming up with a lot of exciting roles, not just salesy roles, but actual specialist roles here. So Vela came with the CAM role, Key Account Manager. Rules also came with the similar role. Then I guess GCPL was for product management. Then there are a lot more. Himalaya came for influencer marketing. then yeah, I can recall some of them right now.
Wow, that is good. And तुम लोग का क्या scene है in terms of placements? What's happening there?
Done.
Yeah.
Done as in क्या? मतलब लग गई? अरे wow, yeah, congratulations. Then smile and be happy, guys. Where did you guys get placed?
So I have gotten an offer from Jubilant Foodworks.
Domino's.
Yes, and I'll be working with their Popeyes brand as a deputy brand manager. And the interesting thing was that I aspired to become brand manager when I joined AIM, and then finally getting a role for brand manager was like, hitting the bullseye at the end of the.
Oh, definitely, it is like full circle. What about you?
So I recently converted Vela Company, which is a global leader in the salon and beauty industry.
And what's your role?
I am gonna join their e-commerce team as a key account operations specialist.
Wow, that is great. Now, guys, if you don't mind me asking, what is the CTC package?
So it's 15.5 lakhs.
Wow, that's great. What about you?
For me, it is 18.
Damn, guys, these are very good numbers. Okay, now, usual doubt that I'm pretty sure anybody who's watching the video will also have. A lot of times, these packages are inflated, which means that they sound like really good, 15 lakhs, 18 lakhs. But cut ke haath mein aata hai 50,000, 60,000. So, do you guys know the breakup of your package? And if yes, what exactly is it, if you're comfortable in sharing?
So mine's just like 10% of variable, other than like it's all fixed.
Okay, that's good. What about you?
All fixed. No way.
Wow, congratulations. Good, guys. This is it. This was all the information that I needed, because again, people are very concerned about the job roles that they're getting, companies that are coming. Because like I said, no, a lot of times these packages are very inflated, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 18 lakhs, but you hardly get anything. Same is the case with roles also. A lot of promises are made for making sure that your performance marketing roles are coming, growth marketing roles are coming, but at the end, aata kya hai? Sales roles. So that's all interlinked with your bonuses, and you have to constantly sell and hard sell, which again is hard. And like, you guys are here to learn marketing. So yes, guys, that's all the information that I needed. Thank you so much. I just came at a very short notice, but thank you, guys. Thank you. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Oh, pleasure. Bye. Okay, let me find out more students and ask them questions. Hey guys, I'm Kavach. I am actually creating a YouTube video. Do you mind if I ask you all a couple of questions? Sure. Okay, awesome, great. Let me come here. Hi guys, my name is Kavach. You are?
Hi, my name is Soumya.
Nice meeting you. What about you?
My name is Anshul.
Nice meeting you. What about you?
I'm Harsh.
Nice meeting you. Guys, quickly, if you could tell me your background and where you come from.
So my name is Anshul and I am from Faridabad.
Okay, what about you?
So my name is Soumya and I am born and brought up in Delhi itself.
My name is Harsh. I'm from Jalna, Maharashtra.
Great, guys. What has been your background like before joining Altera Institute of Management? What was the degree you were pursuing, or if somebody was doing an internship or WorkX, any of that?
So I am a BCom honors graduate from Delhi University. So I am a fresher only. I did an internship, which was 2-month internship during my graduation as a community manager at a social media startup.
Great. What about you?
I come from the batch of 2023 IP University. I did my graduation in Bachelor's of Journalism and Mass Communication. Towards the end of it, I also got an opportunity to lead influencer marketing for Swiss Beauty.
Great. What about you?
So from the very beginning, I was curious about how packaged food has been manufactured, and hence decided to pursue BTech in food technology. I'm a 2020 graduated. I did a couple of internship in Amul and Patanjali. Later, I thought to try some marketing roles, and I got an opportunity to work with a 30-year-old agri-input brand as an assistant brand manager. Over there, I wore multiple hats, and later on decided to join Altera Institute of Management.
Pretty good, guys. This is good amount of diversity. I was just talking with your batchmates a couple of minutes back, and they were telling that placements are happening left, right, and center, and people are getting placed with good packages and all. So if you could firstly tell me, is it true? And secondly, what is the whole process in terms of placements?
So yeah, it is definitely true. So if I talk about placement process, it first started with the preparation. So we are preparing since December. We had some prepcom sessions including mock PIs, guesstimates, case studies, etc. So placement processes are very simple and smooth for us. So various companies across various sectors shows interest into Altera, then we get the JD job.
JD means job, yeah, okay, job description.
On our PGP mail, then we get the shortlisting.
Oh wow! And do these companies come on the campus, or you guys have to go somewhere? And like, how's that process like?
So it's a mix of both. So I had the successful interview round with Blinkit. I had first round with Blinkit on campus. Then I had further rounds at Blinkit's office.
Oh wow! So means Blinkit's team came on the campus for the first round with everybody, and after shortlisting, then you guys were invited to their office.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. And any virtual interview?
Yeah, I think Soumya had virtual interview.
Oh wow! How was your experience, and where was this virtual interview?
My experience is quite great. I had a virtual interview with Himalaya Wellness Company since the organization is based out of Bangalore. So we did the process virtually itself. The process consisted of 4 rounds in total, 3 of which were interviews with the senior management and 1 was the assignment round.
Wow, great! I'm really interested in the assignment round. What exactly was that?
Since my role is quite a specialist one and it's an influencer marketing, I had to design the entire content strategy for one of their newest launches, which is the Himalaya Turmeric Dark Spot Reduction Serum. So I went ahead and started out with selecting some content creators which could suit the brand imagery and requirement, then some content pegs the brand could use, and some point of differentiation as well that the brand could use and differentiate from the other competitors or players present currently in the market. So that's what it was all about.
That's really hardcore. I mean, I deal with influencer marketing managers on a day-to-day basis, and they go nuts doing all of that. How are you able to successfully do that?
Well, I would definitely agree that it was quite a hard job to say so, but I think the courses which were advertising and content management that we take here at Altera Institute definitely eased out the process a lot, and I was successfully able to convert the position for myself.
That's really very good. And if you don't mind me asking, can you tell me what was your CTC?
I actually have a confidentiality clause.
Yeah, मेरी video के लिए बता दे. Only very interested people are going to watch it.
So I'll give you an estimate. It's upwards of 15 lakhs.
Okay, that's good. But see, upwards of 16 lakhs, Soumya can also mean 25, 30, 40 lakhs. No, then it'll be, people will think so thoda specific.
Chalo, theek hai. I'll be specific for you. It is between 15 to 20 lakhs.
Damn, that's still a very good number, yeah? Wow. What about you, bro? Did you get placed?
Yeah, I recently got placed in one of my dream company, which is Blinkit, as a deputy manager in category management team.
Wow, that's fancy. Blinkit is going to the moon. Number one, what was your CTC? Number two, what do you have to do as a category manager?
So number one, my CTC is 15 lakhs.
Oh wow, crazy.
So if I talk about the role of category manager, it revolves around like driving success for brands on a platform Blinkit, like to understand the needs of brands and how we can sell the assets of Blinkit, like advertising assets, to drive to drive success for the brand, like to also to onboard new brands and clients on our platform, to work with different cross-functional internal teams and external also to sell high performance assets, and to measure the success of campaign and optimize it.
Wow, that's good. Firstly, congratulations on making it through. Secondly, pretty hardcore words, but great job, Brady. Did you get placed?
So yeah, I am also got into Blinkit. So for
Oh wow, both of you together. That's great. Yeah, so friendship is going to continue. Great, guys. I just have one last question. See, placements are happening, companies are coming. You guys are generally getting pretty good packages. But another important metric is ROI. Because I'm pretty sure before joining Altera Institute of Management, you guys would have had options in terms of other B schools or other internships, jobs, and all that. So how has ROI worked for all of you here? If anybody could answer that.
So the ROI for me has been pretty great. I have received an ROI between 2 to 2.5x of my previous, and that for a course of just 8 months, I think it's practically insane, especially considering the current job market.
Great, guys. That's good information. Thank you so much for your time and being so candid on the camera. I really liked it. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye. It was an amazing conversation. Let me see if I can find more students. Hard luck. There are no students in the breakout room. Let me find them somewhere else. Guys, anyways, I think I can never get tired of this view of Cyber City. I mean, surrounded by all the corporate offices and cars traveling by. It's very, very soothing. I'm definitely going to take a lot more of shots for my Instagram. Looks really very good. Guys, one of the most important things and the reason why I was here was to discuss about placements. I'm genuinely very happy about the fact that companies are coming on campus, they are selecting students for good roles, offering them good packages. To be very honest with you, I know there are tons and tons of B schools in the country today that are suffering when it comes to placements and are not able to get their students placed in good companies with good packages and good roles. And again, their reason of it is that the market is bad and all such things, which I don't fully agree with. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Even though I had very short time, I'm glad that I could shoot this quality content for you all people. If in case you have any doubts, questions, queries, make sure you comment below and I'll be more than happy to help. Guys, I will be putting down the link in the description below of Altera Institute of Management. So please make sure you go check out their website, and the admissions are now open. So please make sure you go check it up as well. I'll see you all with another video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you all. Take care guys. Bye-bye.